Assalamualaikum, good morning. Today, our group will be reviewing a video about RTM Light Process for an assessment for our composite fiber class. First of all, let me introduce my group members. My name is Muhammad Rashid bin Muhammad Safian.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zaim Ishadi bin Ghazali.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Azami Murshid bin Najimi.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ali Faizal bin Atan.
Okay, RTM Light Process. RTM stands for Resin Transfer Molding. It is a low positive cavity pressure closed molding process. This means that RTM parts are made by injecting liquid resin and catalyst into a closed mold cavity containing dry fiber reinforcement.
For the next step is a mold creation, which is the first step is a crack model, and then apply a release agent, and then apply a gel coat. The fourth process is a fiberglass mat. The fifth is apply additional layers of fiberglass, and the last is apply a final coat of release agent.
So for this step, they will apply the cover at the top of the mold, so it will prevent some leaking for the next process.
Okay, the next step is apply the wax evenly to the mold so we can easily take out the product later on.
Okay, for this step, we will apply spray. We will spray paint. Like this video, they spray orange color to the product.
And the step, gel coat is a liquid. The hardness from the thick layer that use the protect fiberglass and give it a shine smooth finish. Applying gel coat to fiberglass is simple if you have the right tool and take care to mix your gel coat properly.
Okay, here we can see they put the fiber for reinforcement. The fiber must be placed carefully, and the excess of the fiber must be cut evenly and properly
The step you can apply gel coat with a brush if you are building a fiberglass project in a mold. First, you would apply a release agent to the mold. The brush on the gel coat. You can wait the 24 hours or continue building your project immediately. The gel coat will not cure until it is settled in the mold by your fiberglass layer.
Okay, in this step we can see they are closing the mold because they want to proceed with the resin injection to create a vacuum. Okay, they put the cover properly and connect the vacuum to the cover of the mold. The vacuum must be controlled perfectly when doing this process because we want to avoid any air bubbles from occurring, and we have to also control the maximum bar of the vacuum machine so there is no removal of the resin happening during the process. So we will get the perfect shape that we want. They are testing the vacuum system first before pouring the resin. Here we can see they are injecting resin under the fiber to create the vacuum. So the fiber will create the perfect mold, exactly like the mold below.
As you can see right now, the resin has start to fill in the mold in the project.
It does take some time for the process for the resin to get to all the surface of the product.
Okay, so for those who don't know what is a resin injection, a resin is a plastic or polymer in a liquid or semi-solid state that can be heated, melted and formed into plastic pieces for plastic production. The term resin in injection molding service refers to the molten thermoplastic or thermoset material used in the plastic injection molding process.
You can see they remove the excess resin to get the perfect shape that they want. Okay, if you if you see the video properly, there is a device there. The function of the device is to check for an exothermic reaction. An exothermic reaction is a chemical reaction system that releases heat during the chemical reaction process. So during the molding process, there are heat that are released. So we can usually use uh, uh, thermometer, a calorimeter, or a temperature probe to measure exothermic reaction, because allowing the exothermic reaction to get too hot or too cold can ruin our product batch. Okay, after they done measuring the exothermic reaction, we can see that they are injecting air into the hole that they blow, that they can take out the final project. To open the mold, basically. If you see, right now he is checking the mold to see if there are any defect or any problems with the mold. Okay, Zaim, can you tell some advantage or disadvantage about this?
Okay. So right now, the advantages of using the RDF process is high cavity count, which means in many cases, transfer molded rubber product require few and simple preform, while preform can fill hundreds of cavities. This is an advantage over compression molding and can save a significant amount of time in the molding process. Second, it was design flexibility. Because transfer molding allows for sharper edge. Microgrind vents reduce the need for overflow, allowing for near flash less part, greatly reducing the flash process or allow flash limits to directly ship part. Lastly, it can short production cycle. Transfer molding offer a shorter cycle times than compression molding and can provide more consistency to the process, allow for tighter tolerance and more intricate part. So that's all for the advantages.
Okay, for the disadvantages is first, more expensive tooling than a compression mold. Second, slower product cycle than an injection tool. Lastly, manual handling of the piston can be a problem because the skill level is often proportionately higher and for larger for a part or tool. Manual handling can become somewhat of an issue.
Isaac, is there anything you would like to add?
For me, that's all for the process that called the RTM Light Process. And thank you very much.
Okay, I hope that this video explained to you clearly the process and the advantage and disadvantage of the RTM light process and what it stands for, what it used for. But thank you for watching, and that is all from our group. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you.